Hello, beautiful people. This is your manifestation coach, Monica Dubey, and my mission in life is to transform 10,000 lives in coming 2 years. Vision board. Have you ever made a vision board? Vision board is a picturization of whatever you want to achieve in future. For example, if you want to achieve a big house or a dream car or anything, even your soulmate or you want to get married or whatever. So it's better for you to first picturize what you want to be, what you want in your life. The more specific you are, the more better it is. Because if you are more specific, it is very easy for the universe to deliver your order. Universe is like a big menu card in which you can order whatever you want. But being more specific helps. For example, if you just go to a restaurant and say, just give me whatever you want, so what the waiter will do? He will bring anything, whatever he likes. But if you be specific, give me something Chinese, make it more saucy, make it more delicious, then he'll be very specific and it will be easy for him to deliver the order to you. So the same way vision board works wonderfully. There is no one particular method to make vision board. What I usually do is I download pictures from the internet of my choice, whatever I like. Most often we get those pictures as much as close as our imagination. So what you can do is you can download those pictures. You can either put it in a paintbrush or you can put it in a Word file or you can use any of these technologies. There are so many apps available nowadays. And you can make a beautiful cat collage and just keep it. Try to keep it on the desktop of your phone or your laptop. Try to see that vision board as much as possible because our brain works in pictures. For example, if I tell you a pink elephant, so you will start to imagine a pink elephant. You will not imagine alphabets, you will imagine a pink elephant. So, the same way, if I say red car, you will immediately imagine a red car. Okay, so try to download all these pictures and mix them with your affirmations. And you can also write affirmations and gratitude along with that. That thank you, universe, for sending me this car. Thank you, universe, for delivering me the dream house. You can write these kind of affirmations. Be specific and then see the magic. And please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And my mission in life is to help 10,000 people with help of affirmations and gratitude. And if you find it difficult or if you find anything complicated which you're not able to do on your own, I'm always a call away. My WhatsApp number is given. You can send me a message or you can also mention in the comment box and I will reach out to you. Thank you. Goodbye.